Welcome to Emma 3D English! Let's learn English together!
What is this?
Wow! A baby turtle! Baby Sawaye.
Where did he come from? I found him outside. He's so cute.
Let's find a safe place for him.
Let's keep him safe.
I love him already. Let's give him a name.
Yes, a cool name.
That's a wonderful idea, Lily.
What should we call him?
What name?
Yes! Donnie! Let's make a home.
This is cozy.
Eat, Donnie!
He's eating it, Harry. That's it. Yay, Donnie!
Good job, buddy.
He is happy. He is happy.
So adorable. We love Donnie!
We love Donnie!
Time for school.
Bye, Donnie. We'll be back soon.
The house is silent. Someone is here. Who is that?
Donnie is gone!
Gone? How? He was just there.
We'll find him, boys.
What happened? I miss Donnie.
Where is he?
We will find him.
Let's look everywhere. Did you see a turtle? Why?
No.
Check here.
I am scared. We will find him. Look, a clue.
This way! The beach! There!
You're safe.
We found him! Oh, he's safe! Yay, group hug!
I love you guys.
He belongs to the sea.
I don't want to lose him.
Let him be free.
Goodbye, Donnie. Elsie.
Go home.
He is free.
That was special.
I feel happy.
You did the right thing. What a day. Nature is beautiful.
We learned something.
Oh, you did. What was it?
The ocean is alive and it tells stories.
That's beautiful, my loves. Subscribe to Emma 3D English.
See you next story. Do you like this story? Please like this video. Subscribe to Emma 3D English for more fun stories.